Peace to the family. This is Free Inhabitant back at you again with another video. This is my second video for today. This is August 7th. August 7, 2018. Fellas, ladies and gentlemen, Moors, back at you again with the video. This video is in regards to tickets. Tickets can be beat with intelligent understanding on what to ask for. So again, fellas, I'm gonna drop a little jewel on you in regards to this is worldwide now. This is worldwide, state to statewide, in all states. Ladies and gentlemen, fellas, Moors, wake up, come on now, wake up. I'm gonna teach you something here today. It's gonna be short and quick. I'll do another segment for later in regards to other things that you'll be asking on that's required of you in regards to these frivolous statutes, which are nothing but bills of attainders, tickets they're giving you, complaints against you. So we need to know what to do and what to ask for, and you know, when you want to request something, because you start requesting and asking for the correct things, you could easily get rid of this ticket. It may seem hard to get it, but you put a little pressure, you bust pipes after that. Once you get it, you don't have to worry about nothing. You could easily get tickets immediately dismissed, you know, with no problem. This right here was a long-awaited video, you know, acts of me, you know. So Moors, listen up. Americans, American nationals, whoever you are, whatever, you know, just don't be no United States citizen. You claim that status, you're doomed. So but just listen up. I'm gonna start this video right here and explaining the validity in regards to tickets can be beat with intelligence, understanding on what to ask for. Key elements on what you need to be asking for. Fellas, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you need to be asking on, this is very important. I've been asking for this for the longest time. It's been some years now. Ever since I start requiring that they give me this, all of a sudden tickets start, you know, flying and disappearing. Magistrates start running, court clerks start hiding. Everybody, they no longer wants to talk to you because they're there to run from you now. But this is the first thing you definitely want to ask for. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of Moors start asking for delegation of authority and things of that nature. Well, that's fine and dandy. But we need to play their own game now. We got to start playing their own game. And when you play their own game, this is how you easily beat them. We don't got to say, we don't have to ask for delegation of authority, family. We already know they don't have any delegation of authority. We already know they don't have any jurisdiction. So this is the reason why we play their game. Let's play their game, but let's play to win. So this is the first thing you want to ask for, family. Ask for their Foreign Registration Statement Act of 1938, family. I know it's going to be a lot of Americans that's ignorant to this. Ignorant don't mean you stupid. You just don't know. That's all, family. That's all, family. It just means you don't know. But you are ignorant to this. You're gonna be requesting on their Foreign Registration Statement Act of 1938. And family, please don't tell me please don't let these people tell you they don't know what it is, family. Anybody could go look this up. For the record, I'm going to show you. This is their stuff, family. This is not ours. This is their stuff. It's not our stuff. It's theirs. Here it is, right here, family. Let me come on out with this, family. Right here, family. This is their stuff. You see where it says on the corner left-hand side? Washington, D.C., United States Department of Justice, Washington, D.C. See that, family? And if you see right here, the OMB numbers to these things, look, registration statement. This is just a copy that I pulled out years ago and I used for myself in regards to dismissing like 3 different tickets. Pursuant to the Foreign Agent Registration Act of 1938, as amended. See that, family? This is their stuff. This is their bosses who give this stuff and require that they file these things. This is their stuff, family. So, without further ado, I'm going to just go ahead and go into this and skip some of this. We don't have to read number 1 and 2. I'm going to just go straight down to number 7. Family, you see where it say Privacy Act statement? Right there, family. Take a look at it. Right there. And I'm going to read that for you under the Privacy Act statement. It says the filing of this document is required for the Foreign Agent Registration Act of 1938. Did you hear that, family? The filing of this document is required. The word require means it's mandatory. You feel me, family? This is required of all prosecutors, i.e. district attorneys and magistrates. Yes, so-called judges. That's not judges. They're magistrates. They're required to file these, family. Privacy, under the Privacy Act, right here, under the Privacy Act statement. The filing of this document is required for the Foreign Agent Registration Act of 1938, as amended. 22 USC, you can go look this up, family. 611 ET SEQ, for the purposes of registration under the Act and public disclosure. You see that, family? Registration under the Act and public disclosure. See that, family? That means you have the right to request for this. Why, family? It's because they're foreigners. And when you request for this, family, they go to run it. Why? Because they're foreign agents. Yes. And guess what? If you're a foreigner enforcing statutes, rules, regulation, codes, and codes on my land, and you have to file, you're required to file a foreign registration statement? Guess what that means? Sir, ma'am, you're a foreigner. You have no jurisdiction. You're a foreigner. Sir, case dismissed. I rest my case. You're a foreigner. You have no jurisdiction. Period. You are a foreigner. So, family, we're going to go and finish reading this. Again, like I said, for the purposes of registration under the Act and public disclosure, provisions of the information requested is mandatory. You hear that, family? It's mandatory, family. And failure to provide the information is subject to the penalty and enforcement provisions established in Section 8 of the Act. You hear that, family? If a prosecutor tell you or ignore you or neglect you, like they don't hear you and you're requiring them to give you a copy of their Foreign Registration Statement Act of 1938, family, it just said provisions of the information request is mandatory. They got to give it to you, family. They got to give it to you. And failure to provide the information is subject to a penalty. Family, they'll get in trouble for not providing to the public. It says public disclosure. They got to give you this, family. Family, they got to give it to you. This is the first thing you should be asking on. You don't need to ask Morris. You don't need to ask for a delegation of authority. This proves right here they don't got any authority, family. Yes, they don't got it. They know they don't got it. The foreign agents. To who? The Vatican. The Queen. Yes, family, they don't got it. Under the Privacy Act statement, pursuant to their Foreign Registration Statement, family, it's mandatory. So, family, please, you have to ask for this type of stuff, family. Start asking for this type of stuff. Now, I'm going to go down a little bit, and I'm going to show you more. It's very important why you need to be asking for this stuff. Moors, right here. This is the second page. Under their Foreign Registration Statement Act, when they file it with the United States Justice Department and all copies get forward to the Attorney General's office. It's mandatory, family. That'll be another video. I'll come out and I'll show you that all this is mandatory, that they have to have it filed with the Attorney General. Mandatory on their desk, in their office. Every time they have to file this registration. I'll leave that for another video in regards to the topic. But family, we're going to read this. Look, they got to put their name of the registrant, their registration number, what principal business address, their principal business address. If the registrant is an individual, furnish the following information. Now watch this, family. Watch this. We're going to go down. We're going to go down. Check this out. Moore's, check it out. Look, residence address, other business address. Check it out. Number C. Ha. Family, they got to put down what is their nationality. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? When you're an attorney, when you're a district attorney, a prosecutor, a judge, a so-called judge, a magistrate, ain't that something? How they're hiding, how they ask them for what's their nationality. Family, you know what they got to put? Foreign agent. Because know why? They gave that status up. Their nationality now is a foreign agent of the Vatican. They are no longer, they gave their citizenship status up. It was relinquished. Why? Because once an oath of office is given, citizenship is relinquished. They gave that their nationality, their status up. Says right here, it's asking for their nationality. They got to put down here, family, foreign agent. So when you request for this Foreign Registration Statement Act of 1938, family, yo, it's going to tell you what's their nationality. And when it say foreign agent, ask yourself, family, do they got any jurisdiction against you now? Do they got any claim against you? No. Case dismissed. Case dismissed. Now, check it out. If you go down to E, it's a present citizenship. What is your present citizenship? If present citizenship, look, not required by birth, state when, where, and how acquired. And then it states asking for their occupation. Family, this tells it all. This tells it all. This is so very important when they got to show you their foreign registration statement, family. Why? It's because they have to disclose who they are. Yes, family, they're foreigners. They're foreigners, family. And this paperwork does exist. Just in case y'all try to say, what? I never heard of it. I don't know nothing about it. I'm pretty sure you don't. Look at this, family. Look, list all partners, officers, directors, and persons performing the function of an officer or director of the registrant. Look at that. Family, they got to put their name, their address, their position, and their nationality. Family, these people are foreigners. They got to put foreign agent. They have no jurisdiction, family. They have no, you can motion the court for dismissal. Right then and there, family. They're foreign agents. Family. Believe me, which of the above named persons render service directly in furtherance of the interests of any of the foreign principles? Look at that, family. Look, describe the nature of the registrant's regular business or activity. Family, when they writing tickets, man, all this is commerce, family. I.e., it's all business. It's commerce. They're trying to enforce business against you by way of contracts, family, under that trust, under that corporate name you got. Family, a lot of Moors, a lot of Americans, you better start claiming your nationality. That's a fact. That's a fact. You better start claiming your nationality. You have to claim your nationality. Fellas, I wanted to show you this real quick, that it does exist, this registration statement pursuant to the Foreign Agent Registration Act 1938. It does exist. This is how you run them off. Just like this, family. Just like this. This is how you run them off. Families, you gotta use this. Like I said, number 7, it is mandatory that they file this. See, request is mandatory. It's for public disclosure, which means the people got a right to know who they are, how they operating, what foreign powers they working for. They're operating in a corporate capacity. They're foreigners, family. You got to ask for this. This is the first thing. As I said, the first things first, their Foreign Registration Statement Act of 1938. I got other key element things that you could require for it as well. But right here, this is the very first thing. I'll leave the other things for the next video, family. But just to show you, I'm going to move on a little bit because I don't want to kill this video out. I just want to keep this thing short and simple. Simplicity. I want to just keep it short and simple, family. Right here. This is a friend of mine in regards to him requesting on all these things. Look at this right here, family. Municipal court. He gets a ticket. I redacted his name and everything, family, so respect that. Listen him as a defendant. Look, driver's license number, complaint number, family. Look, driver's while suspended. He was given a ticket. Look at that, family. Courts put dismissed. See that, family? This is what happens when you ask for these things. Look, dismissed. Ha ha! Same individual. Signed by the court. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, family. Same individual. Look. Order of dismissal. Look at that. A parking ticket. Look at that, family. Order of dismissal. Look at that, family. Dismissed. Look at that. Sign. Motor vehicle summons. Parking in a handicap. Gave him a ticket. Look at this, family. Look at that. Dismissed. Dismissed. Right there. You can see that, family. Look, right here. Checked off. The court's checked off. Dismissed. Right there. Dismissed. Right there. See the court. Alberto Rivas. See that, family? This was last year. I was supposed to put this on blast right here. Yes, sir, family. Yes, sir, family. This is real. Filed last year. See? Supposed to be Honorable Alberto Rivera. That's the magistrate. That was the magistrate. Order for dismissal. Ha ha. 2 tickets. And driving while suspended. Yes, you do have a right to travel, family. Look at that. Municipal court. Dismissed, family. Yes, family. So again, I'm gonna kill this video. I ain't gonna draw it out long. So again, tickets can be beat with intelligence, understanding on what to ask for. Key elements on what you need to be asking for. First things first. Their Foreign Registration Statement. Act of 1938, family. And again, family, it do exist. It's right here. Family, ask for. It's required of you. Free inhabitant, August 7th, 2018, and I'm out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You know what it is. Just keeping things real. Peace. Islam, love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice.